Hey guys, I'm here sitting in my car, just finished my workout at Burn Boot Camp, and I have to tell you, this is my favorite place to work out. You all know that when I find something that I love and I'm obsessed with, that I want to share it with you, and so I'm tying everything together with health and wellness, and I am hosting, or Burn Boot Camp is hosting, I am teaching a class on alternative plant-based medicine through essential oils at Burn Boot Camp. Part of the little perk is that you get 2 free weeks at Burn plus a one-on-one free consultation where they evaluate your body composition, take measurements and stuff like that, so that you can come in and, get your fitness on. I want to let you know that this is not a place where you're going to feel pressured to join. I was a little bit skeptical at first. My sister got me to come, and I love it. It's something that works for me. It's 45 minutes. Just about the time you feel like you're going to die, you look at the clock and you only have 15 minutes left. So it's wonderful. They have childcare, right, Eden?
Yeah.
Where are you at? They have childcare. It's a lot of fun. They leave the door open. You can see your kids in there. It's awesome. But I want you guys to come out. If you are in Cincinnati, come to this class. It is a free class, and you are going to learn some incredibly empowering information that is going to help you maintain your health and wellness and even help treat certain ailments that you may not have had success with. If you are like me, you have seen all of the sickness. This flu season has been out of control. We are going to teach you how to intercept these viruses, intercept the different types of bacteria, and really take control of your family's health and wellness. There is nothing more empowering than having the tools and the knowledge to be able to take care of your family and not feeling scared, oh my gosh, what if we get the flu, but knowing what to do if that happens and other things like that. So come join us this Saturday, February 24th at 1 p.m. We have plenty of space. I want you guys to bring your friends because usually we have limited space, but because of where we're hosting this class, we have unlimited space. So we will see you Saturday. Have a great day.